Hello, boys and girls, and happy Wednesday. So far this week, we have learned about circles and triangles. Today, we are going to learn about squares. So let's watch this video and see how we can identify a square. I want you focusing on how many sides a square has and how many vertices. Here we go. Look at the shape that is traced. How many sides does this shape have? It has 4 sides. How many vertices does this shape have? Are all of the sides the same length? Let's look at the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thumbs up if you think they all look the same length. I think so. Yes, all of the sides are the same length. This shape is called a square. A square is a special rectangle because it has 4 sides and 4 vertices, and its sides are all the same length. What shape does this cracker have? The cracker has the shape of a square. How do you know it is a square? It has 4 sides and 4 vertices. The 4 sides are the same length. So remembering, for it to be a square, all 4 sides have to be the same length. Nice job today!